Fried bread chocolate. Just the name conjures up images of warmth and indulgence. It's the perfect treat for a cold winter's day or a comforting midnight snack. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crispy golden slice of fried bread, slathered with melted chocolate. The contrast of textures and the explosion of flavors is simply divine. This recipe is incredibly easy to follow, ensuring that even novice cooks can create this delightful treat in their own kitchens. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of white bread, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a bar of milk chocolate broken into pieces, and a pinch of sea salt. That's it. Just a handful of simple ingredients are all you need to create this comforting classic. Now, let's create some magic in the kitchen. Melt the butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Watch as it transforms from a solid block to a glorious golden liquid. Gently place the slices of bread into the melted butter. Allow them to sizzle and soak up the buttery goodness, turning them occasionally until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove the fried bread from the pan and place them on a plate lined with kitchen paper. This will absorb any excess oil, ensuring a perfectly crispy texture. Sprinkle the chocolate pieces evenly over the hot fried bread. The heat will melt the chocolate, creating a luscious, velvety topping. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt over the melted chocolate. This seemingly simple addition will enhance the flavors, creating a symphony of sweet and savory notes. Your fried bread chocolate is now ready to be devoured. For an extra touch of indulgence, serve it warm with a dollop of vanilla ice cream or a generous spoonful of whipped cream. The contrast of temperatures and textures will create a truly decadent experience. So there you have it, a simple yet utterly delightful recipe for fried bread chocolate. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the most comforting treats are the easiest to make. So go ahead and indulge in this sweet delight. Your taste buds will